So in this video po, ipapakita ko kung paano yung X-reading process ng ating mobile order taking application po. So ano nga ba yung X-reading? X-reading po is a process kung saan nakikita po natin yung summative sales of the day. We can also see the top 8 bestseller products of the day, as well as nakikita po natin kung magkano yung hourly sales of the day po, and then the cashier cash positioning. So this is a very good report if you want to generate it every end of the shift of the cashier, or it could be every end of the day. Okay? So I'll show you paano natin siya gagawin. So the first is you have to log in into your MOT application, and then you have to just select a slot that you want, and then tap nyo lang yung tindahan order. Now, with regards with the slot po, wala pong specific slot kung alin yung pipiliin nyo. You can choose any slot that you want po, as long as naka-redirect po kayo dito sa ating cashiering side po, which is ito po yung etsura niya. Next, tap the three line icons on top po. Tap nyo lang po siya. And then, tap nyo lang si Sales X Reading. Be sure na yung printer or Bluetooth printer natin for the POS cashier ay nandito sa tabi ng ating MOT, kasi dito po siya mag-print sa ating Bluetooth printer. So, Sales X Reading. Next po is you just have to select the date. Probably if you want to backtrack days before na hindi tayo nakapag-X reading at hindi tayo nakapag-generate, so pwede pong ganoon. But if you wanted to select the date of the day, select nyo lang po, and then tap lang natin yung print. Automatically po, it gets printed out. So basically po, doon sa printout, you will see everything regards with your gross sales, regards with your mga bat sales, nandun din yung mga hourly sales natin, the top 5 fast moving products, and then the cashier cash position po. Okay? So yan po yung purpose and process ng ating X reading report.